So today's topic is about vitamin D and why we all need vitamin D and where can we get it from. I'm going to make a mushroom and cheese toast. The sun is your best source of vitamin D because your body naturally produces it. So if you go under the sun, the UVB rays will convert the cholesterol under your skin to give you the vitamin D that you need.
The more sunblock you use, the less vitamin D your body will be able to produce.
So we are afraid of skin cancer as well. And
exactly.
a lot of women are afraid of, melasma. Fortified foods, meaning that they don't naturally contain a lot of vitamin D, but then it's added to the food so that it becomes a good, like a supplement within the food. So the two types that we typically see is D2 and 3. And D2 is from typically a vegetarian source, and D3 is from animals. And maybe you've eaten too much during army days, and then one egg yolk would give you about 1 mcg of vitamin D, so it's a really good source.
I can take my mushrooms that are in my fridge, put them in the sun for half an hour, and it gets powered up.
Yes, it gets powered up.
It's like a magic mushroom.
First of all, if you don't have enough vitamin D, your body's availability to absorb calcium and a combination of magnesium, phosphorus, as well as vitamin D would give you strong bones. It's like a little handbag, actually.
Yeah, there you go.
If you can, try to have a wholesome breakfast at home. Happy Mondays, everybody. See you next week.
See you next week.
Mushroom and vegan cheese toast. I'm going to make that when I get home.